How to download video from Alibaba. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can download video from Alibaba, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if there is a certain product video on Alibaba that maybe you would like to download so that you can also use it on your website or wherever else it is that you're actually selling, but as you can see, whenever I open up any product page over here, and even if there happens to be a certain video, there is no way that I could possibly download that video, because if I tap the three dots option here, you can see there is no option. So the only way to do it is to simply open this product video in a full screen here, and then just make sure to screen record on your device. So just make sure to turn on screen recording here. You can also choose to record the audio, which will be your device audio. Then tap on the start option, and once the screen recording has begun, you can simply play that video in a full screen. And once you play that video in a full screen, later on after the recording is done, now you'll be able to exit out of this video, and then you can simply crop that certain portion of the video. So if I just exit out of it and then just come back, and then let me also end my recording, what I can do is I can simply choose to crop a certain part that maybe I don't like over here, and then I'll be able to go ahead and then basically edit that video out. So hope this video helped you as to how you can go ahead and then download video from Alibaba. Bottom line is you can't, but you can just screen record the existing video. Hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the next video.